Hello. Welcome to me. Today we are doing another math exercise. Today we will be doing volume. For those who don't know, it's a learning session with me. I'm learning what I already knew in the past, so if you would like to practice with me, pause the video when there is a question and start, So yeah, without further ado, let's see what we have today. I'll do 8 exercises. Alright. Let's check 1 second though the volume if it's okay. I hope it is. Let's see. Everything should be okay. Is it? Okay, yeah, it's all good. All right. So let's go with exercise 1. A cube has a side length of 7. So we have this. Oh wait, is that cube? Yeah, it's now we do the volume. Yeah, forget it. So a cube is this one. And then we have a 7 centimeter size. So in the cube, if this is 7 centimeter, then is this and this line here. Okay. One thing, when we working with the volume, is going to be SM3 centimeters in the power of 3. Now, the formula for the volume usually is width times the height times the depth. So 7 times 7 times 7. So 10 times 7 is 49 times 7 is what? 7 times 9. I know 9 times 9 so 7 is 70. 9 times 7. Okay, so 10 minus no. 70 minus 7 is 61. No, what the nah. Is 3 and 6, 63, yes, so this is what am I doing? Yeah, don't mind me, just still need to warm up. So 63 28 plus 6 34. let's move on with question 2. A cuboid. So a cuboid is this one. It has a length of 12 centimeter, height 3 centimeter, and a width of 5 centimeter. Now, I'm not sure 100% that this one is this, but it has the same formula, okay? So we need to times 30 times 5 times 12. I will do this 2 first. 3 times 1 is 15. Then times 15 times 12. Five times 2 is what? 10. 2 and 1, 3. Then we have 15 here plus this. We bring down the 0, 8 and 1 centimeter 3. So let's see. Question 2 is 180 centimeter in power 3. Alright, now we're going with question 3. I also found out that if I do sessions with like each, is more easy to be more specific with my live streaming, you know. So for question 3 we have a cylinder. Okay, so this is where things change a bit. Alright, so for the cylinder we have a radius of 4 centimeter. We have a height of 10 centimeter, and the pi is 314. So it's the same formula, width times the height times the other part, okay? So and just I want to check something. So I know for the area it's like pi r square, you know, because I always get confused. And then do I need to do this, or do I need to do the with the diameter, the circumference? Nah, pi r squared I think is this one times the height, you know. So in this case is 314 times pi r radius 4 squared times the height, which is 10. Alright, now if I do this 2 first, then this gonna become 31.5 4 times 4 times 4 is 16, if I am correct. So 31.4 times 16, 24, 6, 8, 18. Then we have 4, 1, 3. Then we have 4, 12, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5. And we have 54 because of the bullet point here. And then it's centimeter power of 3. Now let's see if this is correct. It's not correct. I'm not gonna check it. I'm always confusing it. Wait, is it a question 3 or is it, am I actually the question 4? Yeah, it's 3. 4 and 10. I have a feeling like I have to do pi r square 2 and then do it 2 times to find both the circle. Let's try this approach, okay? Pi r square times 2. Okay, so 3.14 times r square, which is for this, times 2. So if I do 16 times 2 is 32, I think. Why today am I putting the value there and makes my life so difficult? I don't know. Okay. So 16 times 2, 12, 2, 3, 32, yeah. So this one is 32. Is it? Yeah, I did these two together. So this one is this one. And then we have 32 times 32. 4 times 2 is 8, 2, 6, 12, 3, 4, 3, 3, 9, right? 3, 12, 3, 4, 3, 3, 9. Okay, plus 8, 4, 10. Is it? And 4, 10, 9 becomes 10. And then we have 2, so 100. Wait a second. It's not finished, right? Because now we need to do also the 10 for the height. So is it 1004.8? Let's see. Okay, what did pirate? Okay, so initially did correct, but I did some wrong in my calculation, maybe. Ah, my days, bro! I forgot to add the 10. Forgot to um I forgot to add this here. So if I add this here, then it becomes 502. All right. So we did question 3. Now we'll do question 4. Okay. Question 4. Hmm. Cylinder. What was 2 cylinders then? Oh, okay. And diameter has 18. So all this around is 18 centimeter, a height of 6 centimeter. And the pi, as we know, find its volume. Pi times the I think it's gonna be pi times the diameter times 6. So we have 3.14 times the diameter, which is 18 times 6. I'm just not sure, like, because of the circles, you know. But still, we're going around. Or is it a tricky question? Oh, hello, Rudra Sharma. How are you? You like maths? Thanks for watching my stream. Appreciate. Let's see. Let's see. So. But task for the freaking volume. He asks for the volume and then gives me the diameter. Maybe I need to halve it and do the same like before. Maybe rather than do this, then I do pi times the ratio, which is the half of 8 is 9 square times 6. I feel like it's more like this one. We do the volume anyway, so I'm gonna try this method and see. Times 9 to times 6. So 9 times 9 is 81. So if I do the 6 first, which is more easy to do, 6 8 is 48, and then I can time it with 3.14. You're trying to find the volume of the cylinder. Yup. And gives me the diameter. $24 for 2. 8 times 4 is what? 32 plus 2, 34, 3, 4, 4, 16, plus 3, 19, 6, 8, 4, and then 3 times 6, 18, 8, 24, 25, 2, 12, 4, then we have 4, then we have 10, 18 plus 8 is 26, 26 is it? 8 και 8, 16, plus 9, 4 και έχουμε 5. 8 και 8, 16 και 9. 4 μα πάρω από εκεί, μείνουν 5, 25, 25. And then we have 5, 5, 10, 12, 5 and 6, and then we have 2. And let's see, did I do this calculation correct or what? So if I do 486 times 3.14, no, of course I didn't do correct. Oh my days, bro. Where did I go wrong? 24 for 2, 8 times 4 is 8, 16, 32 plus 2 is 34, 4 and 3, and then 4, 4 is 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3, 19, okay, 6, 8, 4, and then 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 8, 16, 24. Το 6, 12, 6, 18 και 1, 24, 25, 5 και 2. So εδώ έχουμε 2. So this one is to 6. 6 and then 1. 6 and 1. So 486. How? European, no, man. I am not. I am Greek. Alright, so 3 times 14 times 81 times 6 is 1526.04. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna be this one, so this one is equation 4. Right, so let's see. Okay. So what did I do wrong then? 18, 3, 6. Pi r square. Thank you, bro. Nah, I'm not Russian. It's the first time I hear it. Nah. A third of the correct value. Determine you probably square the radius currently, but didn't multiply by the height properly. 3.14 times 9 times 81, 100%, times the height, which is 6. How is this not a correction square? Okay. Where are you from? I swear if it's the correct square, I'm gonna boom boom. No. So what did I do wrong? 9 times 2, 81. Yeah. So 3, 180 and 6. What did I do, bro? 3.14. Okay. 81 times 6. how it gives me a different answer, bro. I'm going nuts. Oh my days. This is the I can't even do one single calculation, right? Oh man, let's see. I'm gonna ask another I just to see what it's gonna give me. Let me just 1 second to block my screen because in the other one I have my personal stuff. 1 second, I won't do long. I'm gonna be here. Oh, you're from India, nice. I have a friend from there. We used to hang out. 04. Yeah. Okay. My answer apparently is right. But this AI gives you the wrong. Okay. Classic situation, bro. Classic. Okay, moving on to question 5. A square base pyramid. This one, I guess. Yeah, base side is 10 centimeter. And there is a height of 15 centimeter. Find the volume. Base height triangle. Okay. I used to do this when I was going to the school, and then I did some university, and then I stopped doing the math, so I just came back to relearn this because I do like it. That's what it is. Did you find my channel from YouTube by accident, or Wait, or were you in my channel from before? No, I don't know. Like, because if we have the, I don't know, we don't have this, so but divide the 2 and then maybe it's time the 10. You know, that's what I think it is for this one. So the base is 10 times the height, 2 times 10. 10 times 15 is 150. Divide 2 is 75, right? 75 times 10 is times 10 is 750 centimeter in power of 3, maybe. Let's see. To be honest, I don't really remember this one. Using lesson and I stumble. Ah, I see. And what type? You are you a university student or? Ah, it's 1/3. I see. So that changes to the 3 in the. I knew base times the height divided 2. So 2 was for the 2D shape. I see. So we put 3. Okay. So if I had this, then divide the 3. So this would be. Okay. Base times the height divided 3. So it's 10, 15. 3, so this would be 53. This would be 83 is 50. 50, then times 10 is 6. It's 500. Yeah. Are you a university student? What type of lectures do you do? Do you do something related to maths? Grade 9. I don't even know grade 9. Is it must be difficult. Must be difficult. I know Indian people are very smart, so I know. Geometry, I was never good with geometry, bro. Honestly, I'm not good with geography. I'm not good with maps. And now we go to question 6. So now we have the cone. Let's see. Can I remember the cone? So radius is 6. 6. The radius. There's a height of 14. And we have find like 3.14. times, I assume it's gonna be r squared, so 6 2, I feel like it, times 14. Wait, r squared 6 times 6 is what? 36 times 14 is 1 1 5 2.56 centimeter. Ah, I see. In UK, this is like a functional skills level 2 is a grade 4. So the system is different, you know. And I have done this like 3 4 years ago. So now I'm just going through each and see what I remember, what I don't remember, and then after I'm going to spend more time learning them, you know. Is correct, okay. Eh, what is it 1/3? Why are 2 times the height? See, the ice here says I am handling the volume, this volume problems with real precision. I am the precision master. Oh man. So what is the 1/3? Mm. The 1/3 in the pyramid can count formulas using random. It comes from the geometry of how these shapes fill space. Here's the idea in one cleansing pyramid, or cone always has exactly 1/3 of the volume of a prism or cylinder with the same base area. Height, what does it mean? 1/3 of the volume of a prism. Okay. Imagine a square base pyramid sitting square base pyramid. 7 is this one. Okay. Imagine I'm sitting in a cuboid with the same base, same height. Prism or cylinder stacks identical for cross all the. Yeah, I don't really get it. Alright, so we are question 7. No. Okay, bro. Bye. Gotta go. It's my past my bedtime. Here it's 11. All right, bro. Thank you for being here. Appreciate your time and have a good night. Nice to see you. Thanks for watching and nice to meet you. Two cuboid composite solid is made of two cuboids. Find the total volume. Okay, this could be a bit easy. So if we have 8 times 4 times 3, then is what? And then we have 5 times 4 times 2. 8 times 4 is 32, right? 32 times 3. Yeah, 3 is x. Yeah, man, I do often. I often do streaming like two times per week or three even sometimes. 36 times 3, so 32, 32, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. 96, 20, 5 times 4 is 20, times 2 is 40. I assume it's this, right? Let's check. Okay, so if I add this together, 6 like at least 13, 6, so this gonna be centimeter. How is not? No, okay. For 130, that is my relative is that this is ridiculous. Oh man. Yeah, 136. And what did they say here? 136. This is so funny. Alright, and we are in the last question. Cylinder plus a hemisphere. So I have this thing here. A cylinder has a radius. I forgot I can move it. Wow. minus 3. Well, something like this anyways. Cylinder, or I can do this. Just hide. Okay. So the cylinder is made with 5 ratio, 5 centimeter, height of 12, radius 5, and a height of 5. Okay, question. Don't you need to provide me the height for the hemisphere on top? Yeah, I don't get this one. Oh man. Alright, let's do what we know, and then we see what we miss and what we do make. Pi r square times the height. Then we have 314 times the ratio, which is 5 square times the height 12. Five times 525 times 12 is 942. That's 90 million. 3.14 times 52 is what? So if I do 3.14 times 125, 78.5. So plus 942. $942. Because it's the, wait a second, 4/3. Why is so this one we need to revisit. Go hemisphere cylinder and alright, so for next time we are going to do scale drawings and we are slowly getting there. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Have a good night.